of powder coating equipment, sandblasting machines, polishing equipment, surface treatment equipment, and more. We offer automatic surface treatment solutions and customization services for a number of industries, including hardware, machinery, aerospace, automobiles, and more. Colo's machining workshops are equipped with laser cutting machines, bending machines, and a CNC punch press. Every workpiece is strictly tested to ensure any error in machining accuracy is within 0.1 millimeters. Experienced technicians assemble and debug each delicate powder coating gun, and all standardized products must pass a complete performance test before they are sent out for delivery. All product operating systems are installed in electric workshops. Our products are sold to more than 100 countries around the world, including the USA, Germany, Austria, Mexico, Russia, Colombia, Thailand, and more. We also employ a professional foreign trade sales team whose members are proficient in English, Spanish, Russian, German, and Japanese. We are proud to offer 24-hour online service for our customers.